Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. In this tutorial, we will talk about what is Open Redirection Vulnerability. An Open Redirection Vulnerability is when a web application or server uses a user-submitted link to redirect the user to a given website or page. Even though it seems like a harmless action to let a user decide on which page he wants to be redirected to, if exploited, such a technique can have a serious impact, especially when combined with other vulnerabilities and tricks. An attacker can construct a URL within the application that causes a redirection to an arbitrary external domain. Over here, external domain refers to the website on which the attacker wants the user to be redirected. This behavior can be leveraged to facilitate phishing attacks against users of the application. The impacts can be many and vary from theft of information and credentials to the redirection to malicious websites containing attackers' controlled content, which in some cases even causes XSS attack. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.